Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 and 10 temporary file issue. Looks like all your documents and picture are gone, so how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in the search box type registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. So open it, select a HKey local machine and expand it. After that, select a software and expand it. After that, select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this step, find out a Windows NT. Here is a Windows NT and expand it. Select a current version and expand it. After doing this step, find out a profile list. Now here is a profile list. Expand it. After doing this step, find out this S15221 and this names. After doing this step, click on a profile image path and open it, and make sure that the value name is equal to login name. So in my case is a ATI. So now you can check your according to your computer. So make sure that the value name is equal to login value. So click on it and close it and close the registry editor. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.